Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix when you are unable to change the desktop background picture on Windows 10 as the picture is stuck to a solid color. So when you make a right click on your picture and when you click on set as desktop background, it is not changing the background. So if you are facing this problem, then please go ahead and follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make sure that show desktop background image option is on. So to check this, go to settings. Now click on ease of access and scroll down, and here you can see the option which say show desktop background image. So make sure that this is on. So you go ahead and turn it on and then try to change the background image. Still you are facing the problem, then open control panel. So just go ahead and type in control in Windows search and then open control panel. Then click on ease of access and then click on ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
And then click on make the computer easier to use, easier to see actually. So click on make the computer easier to see and then scroll down and make sure that this option is unchecked, which says remove background images where available. So make sure that this is not checked. If this is checked, go ahead and uncheck this, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now once you click on apply,
always scan this section.
Then click on OK and then close this, and then you can go ahead and try to change the background picture. And still you are facing the problem, then go to settings, open settings, then click on accounts, and then click on sync your settings and make sure the sync setting option is off, and then try to change the background image. Now still you are facing the problem, then try the last step, that is go to this path. The path is provided in the video description. So copy the path and paste it in the Windows search, open this folder, and then you have to go ahead and delete this file which says TeanscodedWallpaper. Make a right click, then click on delete, and then restart your computer. Go to the start menu, then click on power icon, then click on restart, and after the restart you can go ahead and try to change the background image. So as soon as I turn on the option which says show desktop background image, you can see right now the background image is selected. So you will be able to change the background once you follow all these steps. So one of the steps should definitely help you to set the desktop background picture on your Windows 10 without any issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.